can you just have your traditional, please?
Yeah, of course. Okay. Would you like any mustard or ketchup on that?
Both, please.
Okay. Alrighty. And will that be all for you today?
Yes, that's it.
Okay. That looks like it'll be 8 kilograms.
Okay. There you go.
Thank you. Here. Oh, would you like a cookie?
No, that's okay.
No, really. Tikka cookie. On me.
A tikka cookie? Is that some sort of Indian cookie? I'll take one. Sounds interesting. Oh, and thanks for the recipe idea. Tikka masala does sound good. Mackenzie, I have really good. We should make tikka masala.
Whoa. Slow down. Okay. First of all, hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Okay, so what did you want to say?
Okay, I just got a really good idea. I think we should make chicken tikka masala.
Great idea. Now, if you had said that in the first place, maybe I would have been able to understand you. Okay, well, either way, let's just get the ingredients. Come on, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Wait,
What's that?
Okay, now that we have that sorted out, let's get started. Go.
Move. Combine garlic, ginger, turmeric, garam masala, coriander, and cumin in a small bowl. Whisk yogurt, salt, and half of the spice mixture in a medium bowl. Add chicken and turn to coat. Cover and chill 4 to 6 hours. Cover and chill remaining spice mixture.
We chilled our mixture for overnight. Heat ghee in a large heavy pot over medium heat. Add onion, tomato paste, cardamom, and chilies and cook, stirring often until tomato paste has darkened and onion is soft, about 5 minutes. Add remaining half of spice mixture and cook, stirring often until bottom of pot begins to brown, about 4 minutes.
Add tomatoes, reserving juices, crushing them in your hands as you add them. Add the juices as needed for flavor. Bring to a boil, reduce heat, and simmer, stirring often and scraping up brown bits from bottom of the pot until sauce thickens. 8 to 10 minutes.
Add cream and chopped cilantro. Then add approximately 12 whole cashews into the sauce for flavor and texture. Simmer, stirring occasionally until sauce thickens, about 30 to 40 minutes. Afterwards, use an immersion blender to blend the sauce to make a creamier sauce.
Meanwhile, preheat boiler. Preheat broiler. Line a rim baking sheet with foil and set a wire rack inside the sheet, like this. Arrange chicken on rack.
What's so funny? It's just a chicken.
Arrange chicken on rack in a single layer. Broil until chicken starts to blacken in spots. It will not be cooked through about 10 minutes.
Cut chicken into bite-sized pieces. Add the sauce and simmer, stirring occasionally until chicken is cooked through, 8 to 10 minutes. Serve with rice and cilantro sprigs.
Let's go try it.
Try it time.
Yummy.
Okay, so you can add cilantro like that.
I might add a little bit.
Wow.
Oh,
nice.
maybe.
Okay, I have full like sprigs, but there's also these minced ones that we did. Minced, diced, you know.
Nah.
Okay, so we have rice on the bottom here. You can also serve it with naan if you want to. We bought some naan as well to serve it with, so yeah. So we're just gonna mix it around. If you want to, you don't have to. And then tell me when you're ready.
Okay.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Tastes very good.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's like perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, well, make sure to try it. I think it's really good. Please make sure to follow us on Instagram or Facebook. Lance, get in here, like our videos, and
Subscribe.
why are you eating a paper sub?
Because I already ate the real one.
And why did you go to sibling subs without me?
Because I was hungry.